So required volume is, volume of the sphere is this. What is V? V is given by this. We express region of integration in terms of inequality satisfied by x, y, z. Therefore, volume of the sphere is minus a to a minus root a square minus x square to plus root a square minus x square minus root a square minus x square minus y square to plus root a square minus x square minus y square dz dy dx. This is the volume. The region of integration or limits of integration is given by this. So you are taken f of x y z as 1, then it represents volume. It represents volume. Now we use properties and how to evaluate triple integral? Using triple integral as repeated single integrals. What is minus a to a? Since this function is 1 means constant, it is we take it as even function. Minus a to a is written as 2 into 0 to a. Again this is 2. Therefore 2 into 0 to a, 0 to root a square minus x square, 0 to root a square minus x square minus y square, dz dy dx. We have to evaluate this. It is 0 to a, 0 to root a square minus x square. Now with respect to z first. What is integration of dz? Is z 0 to root a square minus x square minus y square dy dx. You can easily understand. We integrate with respect to z first. What are the limits? 0 to root a square minus x square minus y square. 2 into 2 into 2. What is that? 8. 8 into. Followed by it is 2, because minus a to a is 2 into 0 to a. 3 integrals are there, 2, 2, 2, 8. Therefore, 8 into 0 to a, 0 to root a square minus x square, root of a square minus x square minus y square, dy dx. You know how to take the limit here? How to take the limit? Variable is z now. Integration is with respect to z. You have to substitute z is this value. Minus z is 0. Z is 0 gives 0. So integrate this. Root a square minus x square minus y square. How to integrate? In the previous period, we came across this integral. Root a square minus x square minus y square. Same integral we have evaluated. You have to use this formula, root a square minus x square with respect to x. What is the formula? X by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. But here, instead of a, we have a square minus x square. While integrating with respect to y, a square minus x square is constant. A square minus x square is constant. So how do you apply the formula? Y by 2 square root of a square minus x square minus y square plus a square minus x square by 2. A square minus x square is constant. In place of a square here, we have got a square minus x square plus sin inverse y divided by a means root a square minus x square. What are the limits? 0 to root a square minus x square with respect to x. With respect to x. Application is also important. Formula. So 8 by, or I write 8, 0 to 8. Now how to substitute the limits? These limits are for y. First take y is equal to root a square minus x square, or y square is a square minus x square. So this becomes 0. A square minus x square by 2 sin inverse of root a square minus x square by root a square minus x square. Because taking y is root a square minus x square. Y square becomes a square minus x square, so it is 0. But here y is root a square minus x square gives this. Minus, you have to take y is 0. Minus value of complete this when y is 0. Y is 0 gives first term 0. Why? Because y is there. Second term also y is 0 gives 0. Because sin inverse 0 is 0. Minus 0 with respect to x. With respect to x. Any doubts here? So it is a, or I take 8 by 2, 0 to a square minus x square by 2 sin inverse of 1 with respect to x. Sin inverse 1. So 4 into, again one more 2 already we have taken here, a square minus x square, because 2 we have taken here. 4 integral 0 to a square minus x square sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. So taken 2 here common. Sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. So 2 pi it is, take pi by 2 common, 0 to a square minus x square with respect to x. Root. Sin inverse y is root a square minus x square. Root a square minus x square, root a square minus x square. Y by root a square minus x square, not x by a here. Not a square, x by a. What is a? A is root a square minus x square. So you compare formula with, I think you have confused there, a square minus x square. You have to compare this way, a square minus x square. A square means we have a square minus x square. What is a? Root a square minus x square. Correct? A is root a square minus x square. I am correct here. It is therefore 2 pi. Nivedita, you have to sit here because you can't see this steps. It is 2 pi. What is the integration? A square x minus x cube by 3, 0 to a. 0 to a. 2 pi a cube minus a cube by 3 minus 0. So 2 pi 2 a cube by 3. So 4 by 3 pi a cube. Standard result it is, we have obtained volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere formula we have studied. It is 4 by 3 pi a cube. A is the radius of the sphere. 4 by 3 pi a cube. evaluate triple integral z square dx dy dz over this pair. What is the reason of integration? The reason of integration is it is exactly same as the previous problem. What are the values of x? Reason of integration we give in terms of inequalities. X varies from -1 to 1. You can understand, no? X varies from -1 to 1 because radius is 1 now, not a. What is the corresponding value of y? Y means first we consider xy plane. Xy plane, x varies from -1 to 1. What is corresponding value of y? Z is 0, you have to take in the xy plane. Minus root 1 minus x square to plus root 1 minus x square. What is the value of z? You have to solve this. Minus root 1 minus x square minus y square to plus root 1 minus x square minus y square. This is the reason of integration. Therefore, triple integral z square dz dy dx limit is -1 to 1 minus root 1 minus x square to plus root 1 minus x square minus root 1 minus x square minus y square to plus root 1 minus x square minus y square. Again z square is there, it is even function. Z square even function. So while applying this as repeated integral, we can use -1 to 1 as 2 into 0 to 1. This is also 2 into 0 to root 1 minus x square. So it is 8 into 0 to 1, 0 to root 1 minus x square, 0 to root 1 minus x square minus y square, z square, dz dy dx. Correct? Dz dy dx. So 8, 0 to 1, 0 to root 1 minus x square, z cube by 3, 0 to root x square minus y square, dy dx. dy dx. Eight into 0 to 1, 0 to root 1 minus x square. Alright, can I take 8 by 3 because 3 is constant here. 8 by 3, root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square minus y square raised to 3 dy dx. These things are simple. You have to take limit from 0 to root 1 minus x square minus y square. Substitute z is root 1 minus x square minus y square. Then z is 0. To follow the limits, how limits are taken? 8 by 3, 0 to 1, 0 to root 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square minus y square raised to 3 by 2 dy dx. The root raised to 3 is 3 by 2. Raised to 3 whole raised to 3 by 2. Now we have to integrate with respect to y. Since we have taken this as repeated integrals, we can substitute only in this integral, inner integral. We have to take x 1 minus x square as constant, y is variable. So we can treat this as ordinary integral, means integral of single variable. But if you change of variables means both x and y are changed at a time. That is a separate topic. It is not change of variables. Change of variables means we have to change both x and y at a time, and that is separate topic. Next topic is change of variables in double integrals, in multiple integrals. But now I take only this one, it is repeated single integral, integration with respect to y, and use substitution here for y only. What is the substitution? Substitute y is equal to root 1 minus x square sin theta. This is the substitution. Root 1 minus x square sin theta, because this also you have to treat as constant. Therefore, dy is root 1 minus x square cos theta d theta, and limits changes when y is 0, theta is 0, y is root 1 minus x square. What is theta? Can anybody, you can find out the limits. How do you find the limits? This is the substitution. Substitute y is 0, new variable is theta, sin theta is 0, theta is 0. Y is root 1 minus x square. Sin theta becomes 1. What is theta? Pi by 2. Therefore it is 8 by 3, 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus x square minus, what is y square? 1 minus x square sin square theta, sin square theta. What is dy? Root 1 minus x square cos theta d theta, but this raised to 3 by 2 is there. To verify once it is whether substitution is correct. Substitute y is, what is y? 1 minus x square sin square theta, y square, raised to 3 by 2 is there. This is dy. Limits 0 to pi by 2. It is therefore 8 by 3, 0 to 1, 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus x square raised to 3 by 2, 1 minus sin square theta raised to 3 by 2, root 1 minus x square cos theta d theta. With respect to x is there, with respect to x. With respect to x. Therefore, 8 by 3, 0 to 1, 1 minus x square square, because root raised to 3 by 2. What is 1 minus sin square? Cos square. So cos theta raised to 4 with respect to theta, with respect to x. 0 to pi by 2, not integrated here. Not integrated. So 8 by 3, integral 0 to pi by 2. How to integrate this? 1 minus x square square is constant while integrating with respect to theta. What is integration of cos theta raised to 4? 0 to pi by 2 cos theta raised to 4. Remember reduction formula. What is the reduction formula? N minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2, and so on. First factor starts from n minus 1 by n, and if it is even, it is multiplied by pi by 2. Otherwise, last factor will be 1 by 2, or it is 2 by 3, last factor. Now I apply that formula, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2 it is. Reduction formula. N minus 1 by n, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. Therefore, 3 pi by 16 with respect to x, because this formula is used. It is therefore 3 cancels. Pi by 2, 0 to 1. What is this? One more integration is there. 0 to 1 it should be. And what is the limit here? Pi by 2. Some corrections you make that one. 0 to pi by 2. 0 to 1, because we have already integrated here. Separately taken 0 to pi by 2 cos theta raised to 4. So 0 to 1, 5 by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆಯಾ 5 by 2 1 minus x square square 1 plus x raised to 4 minus 2x square with respect to x. Simplify 5 by 2 x plus x raised to 5 by 5 x cubed by 3 0 to 1. So 5 by 2 into 1 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3. What is the answer? Simplify this. 4 pi by 15. 4 pi upon 15. Am I correct here? 5 by 2, 15 LCM. 15 plus 3 minus 5. X raised to 5 by 5 minus 2x cubed by 3. 2x cubed by 3 it is. 2 by 3. So what is this? 10. Yes, it is the 4 pi by 15.